We will first make the macaron shells. In a bowl, we will crack 3 eggs. And using a measuring spoon, we'll scoop out the egg yolks. Then we will keep the egg whites for later. Then in another bowl, we will sift 1 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. And we'll also sift 1 cup of almond flour. And lastly, half teaspoon of salt. We will discard the clumps and then we'll mix it to combine. In a separate large bowl, we will beat the egg whites and the remaining half teaspoon of salt with an electric hand mixer until soft peaks form. We'll then gradually add the granulated sugar until fully incorporated. We will continue to beat this until steep peaks form. And you should be able to turn the bowl upside down without anything falling out. After that, we will add 1 teaspoon vanilla. We will beat it until it's incorporated. And then we will add drops of pastel pink food coloring and beat also until just combined. We will then add about 1/3 of sifted almond flour mixture, gradual at a time to the beaten egg whites. And then we'll use a spatula to gently fold until combined. We will repeat it until the last addition of almond flour. We'll continue to fold slowly until the batter falls into ribbons and you can make a figure of 8 while holding the spatula up. Avoid overbeating as well, it will lead to hollow macaron shells. We'll transfer the macaron batter into a piping bag cut into a round shape. And then in a parchment paper, we'll pipe the macarons for a size of a small coin. We'll make a spacing at least 1 inch apart. We will then tap the baking sheet, holding each corner to release any air bubbles. This is to help smooth out the surface of the macaron or to avoid having a pointy top. Then we will let the macarons sit at room temperature for 30 minutes to 1 hour until dry to touch. Heat the oven to 293 Fahrenheit or 145 degrees Celsius. We'll bake these macarons for 15 minutes. And we'll make sure that it is cooled completely before we fill it. We will know this if the macarons doesn't stick to the parchment paper. Now we will head on to making the buttercream. In a large bowl, we will add 2 sticks of butter. We'll beat it with a mixer for 1 minute until light and fluffy. We will then add 3 cups of powdered sugar and beat until fully incorporated. We will add 1 teaspoon vanilla and beat to combine. And then we will add 3 tablespoons cream. We will also beat it to combine until desired consistency is reached. We will transfer the buttercream to a piping bag that's cut in around 6. We will add a dollop of buttercream to 1 macaron shell. We will tap it with another macaron shell to create a sandwich. We will repeat this with remaining macaron shells and buttercream. I also made another batch of darker shade of pink. So time for a taste test. Just as I expected. Sweet tooth satisfied. There you go, our French macaron. Again, thank you for watching. Till the next recipe. Bye!